Hello everyone. Today we are starting a brand new series where we will learn Python from scratch. The best way to learn any programming language is by actually writing code. So in this series we will follow a hands-on approach, coding and learning step by step. This course is designed for absolute beginners. Even if you only have a very basic idea of programming, don't worry. We will take you from the very beginning all the way to an advanced level. So get ready and let's dive in. First, if you don't have Python installed on your computer or laptop, go to python.org and download the latest version. Choose a version that matches your operating system, whether it's Windows, macOS or Linux. To check if Python is already installed, click the Start button on Windows, type cmd and open the command prompt. There, you just need to type python space -- version. This command will show the version of Python currently installed on your system. Now it comes to writing Python code. There are several editors you can use. Popular ones include Jupyter Notebook, which is great for data science, and Visual Studio Code, which many developers use today. However, to keep things simple, we'll start with Notepad++, a lightweight editor that's beginner friendly. You can also use basic Notepad, but Notepad++ is better because it highlights Python keywords and provides helpful auto-completion. So let's open Notepad++. I have already created a new file and saved it with extension .py. And with that, we are ready to write our very first program. Now we'll start with a very simple and traditional program in programming, printing hello world. In Python, the print function is used to display output on the screen. To print any message or text, we simply use Python followed by parentheses and double quotes. Within this, we'll write hello world. This is our very first program, and as you can see, it's just one line of code. Save this file by pressing Ctrl S, and now let's learn this program. To do that, we'll use the command prompt. Here we'll navigate to the folder where you saved your Python file. You can do this by using the cd, that is change directory command. Once you are in the correct folder, run the program by typing Python and then the name of the file, which is lecture 1 for me. So see here, you can see the output hello world. And that's it. You have successfully written and run your first Python program. Let's try more. For example, if we write hello and world in the second line, let's save it again, and here we can see the output. Hello and world are coming in different lines. If we want to write this program in crisp, then we can simply do like, we can put a slash and n here. Let's save it again and see the output. You can see 2-line program has converted into 1-line program. Now let's try other things. Let's write it again here in 2 lines. If you want to print it in the same line, then we can use another function, which is end is equals to, and we'll give space in the double quotes. If we run this program, you can see hello world is coming again in the same line. Now let's make some strings and try with that. For example, if we have s1 is equals to some name and s2 is equals to another name, and if you want to print s1 comma s2, then you can see both the words are printed together with a space. But if you want to give a comma between Infosmart and Solutions, then you need to write SCP is equals to and comma in double quotes. Now let's save and see the output again. You can clearly see there is a comma between Infosmart and Solutions. This was all about the print function. Now let's try some input function. For example, if you want to make a program wherein the user can enter their name and we need to print that name. So we need to write print, enter your name, x is equals to input, and then we can print this x. We can give this input. When we'll write a name, it will automatically print the name back. But this is a 3-liner code. If we want to make it crisp, then we can just write x is equals to input, enter your name, and print x. Let's run this program. So see here, it's still asking the name and printing it. Let's try something more. Like if you want to enter your name and then write hello, then you just need to write hello in double quotes and then make a plus sign and then x. Let's run this. See, it's coming hello, comma, Ananya. This comma is coming because we have entered it in double quotes. If we remove this, then it will be hello, Ananya. If you want to give a space between hello and the name, then you can just give it inside the double quotes. See, hello and space, then the name. Next thing we see will be comments. So comments is something written in any language, English or any language, that can be used to explain the Python code. For example, you can write here taking input. Here we can write the comment printing the name. This comment is not read by Python and is used for the user. It can be used to explain your code to someone else. It will not be printed. Even if you write hash print hello world, still this will not be printed. See here, nothing is printed because all the things is commented. This comment can be made by using a hash sign in front of the line, and like if you have several lines, for example, if you write print if you need to block comment all this, just select this, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Q, and this will be commented. As you can see, comments are not printed. So that was all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more coding content. Happy coding!